Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to install and install the Blackmagic Design this tool. This is really well. If you look into this, the Hollywood movies use this tool to make their movies realistic with the different effects. You can see this water effect, this and this background effect. You can see this is really amazing. So just look into this on their website. You can download and you can buy online. So you no need to have a heavy system. You just pay them and they give you a server and you can use that tool online. You can see all the Hollywood movies use this tool to make their movies realistic. This is some screenshot of this movie. You can see they convert the vector, each and everything. Like, this tool is really amazing. Wow. So you can work with each and everything. You can edit media, cut, edit, view and color, fair color, deliver. Oh, wow. It's just really cool tool. Color corrector, you can see, is just amazing. Different movies use this tool to make their movies perfect. And resolve effects also. Everything in one tool. It's just amazing. Work with 3D plug. Yeah, that's really cool. Like, that question, it was in my mind, like, what if I have something with other tools? So yeah, it can, we can like plug in third-party tools and also storage. They also design different type of uh, devices. You can see that if I scroll down, you can see the software is here, the editor tools, the editor keyboards, and the color panels, Fairlight audio console, Fair Studio console bundles. That is really amazing. So what you have to do, you just need to go up and click on, where's the download button? Yeah, here it. So free download, click it, and you can get that file if you are uh, using Mac. And if you are using Windows, if you just click on it and use your favorite uh, operating system, and you can download it according to it. When you can download, just double click on it so you get that DMG, and when you click on it, this thing will be open, and you just double click on installer, and this is install. Let's have a look on it. So they just firstly give the introduction, and you have to just continue, read about this. Okay, select your preference of language and it will convert the license into that language so you can easily uh, read it. Yep, it read my system, and he said like 6.35 GB of space of your computer is required, and which disk he will use, this one. So I can easily change my destination if I want, but I don't want it because I have only this one. Yep, so just add your password and it will start installation, writing file. So I'm not sure like how much time it will take. So let's see how much time it will take. I guess so, like it was almost like 4 GB file to download, and I guess so it will be like around 10 minutes to download it. Okay, all right, it's taking a lot of time. Let's see up. Okay, during that time, let's have a look on it's she's like 9 minutes. Let's have a look on other things on there. What's new? Ah, Cloud collaboration. Oh, that's really nice. So, so in this field, you have a local network and cloud. You can see all of them. In just 2 minutes, it will be done. Sorry for the background noises. So sorry. Kids are crying. Oh my god.